Hello guys, today we have a Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Plus, and today I will show you how you can perform a reverse Google image search on this device. So we have to check that is a Google Lens software on this device. How you can see there we have a Google Lens, so now we have to choose it. And now Google looking for similar or the same photo. Okay, and there is a second way to do it if you cannot use a Google Lens. So we have to go to the web browser. Sorry for that. So we have to open the web browser and go to google.com. Now it's a very important thing. We have to click here on this three-dot icon and choose desktop side. How you can see now small camera icon appears and we can use it. Now just upload the file. And this is the second way how to looking for images in the Google. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment and goodbye.